Hello everybody, today I am here with the September mystery, and y'all, this is a cutie one, very anytime exclusive art as always. If you sign up for the mystery on the 1st, you won't get this, you will get a different kit that has not been released yet. All of these have been shipped, and if you're looking for this kit, I checked the buy sell trade group, but it is a cutie September mystery 2023. And here she is. How stinking cute. I feel like we needed a fun, nice, bright colored kit. Perfect for any time. I'll probably use this in maybe January, March, or May. I think it'd be really cute, or for next summer. It's just perfect, and I can't wait to show you all of the things. First things first is let me give you a close-up of the boxes. So this is a fun, bright diner theme, and I am obsessed with it. I love these colors. I love the checkered print. It's just so cute. These colors are so fun, and the extra boxes, the jukebox, and then the outside of the diner. These patterns are super cute as well, very retro inspired, and I'm just obsessed. And then here you have the extra box here that has the roller blades, more of that checkered print, the extra color, which is the yellow, which is so fun. Definitely will be bringing that in. And then you have a lot of extra boxes for fashion people, the different skin tone options for the roller blades, as well as another box here that has a like old style kind of phone on it as well. So stinking cute. Love the colors. The ultimate kit did come, of course, with a foil bundle. It is in hollow, which I think is such a pretty option for this kit with how bright it is. And it is in the sparkle format. So this is the, I believe it's sparkle. Pretty sure. So super cute. You get 2 pages of this with the 6 full boxes and the header overlays, the 2 pages of the bougie boxes, the icons and the scripts, as well as the bottom washi fancy headers, deco, and date numbers. And I just think this kit is so pretty. If you wanted to use this with a different kit and use a different foil with this, I think another one would be really fun is black foil. I think it would give it a really fun look. Doing some like checkered underlays, some black foil over these different things. Sparkly black would be really fun as well to like just have a pop. Or you could go with a pink foil, silver, gold, champagne lights, the silver, and sparkly hollow would be really fun with it as well. But I also just really love the hollow with it. So that is the September mystery for 2023. I'll just go ahead and quickly show you the mini kit, which is our more affordable option. So you have the same full box page, the same deco page, the same glitter header page, the mini kit exclusive page with your labels and little things on it, the washi page, and then the extra page, which has more labels and the extra color, along with the freebie, which is a matte label sampler here, a mini one. So that is everything for this month. I hope y'all like it, and I will talk to y'all in my next video. Bye.